What's good, guys? Welcome back on my channel. Elijah Slayer here. Today guys tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to fix App Store with errors. You can't download app on your iCloud bypass device. Today guys, I'm going to show you the way to fix it using your Windows computer. The first step you guys have to do, first of all, go ahead and delete iTunes on computer and go ahead, open Chrome and search for the old version of iTunes which has App Store included in it. So I've already downloaded the So here's Google Chrome. Open up Google Chrome and search for the old version of iTunes on your search engine, Google, which is Google most of the time. Search for the old version of iTunes, including just also work for macOS device. Just download the old version of iTunes and you have App Store included in it. I'm just looking for the old version of iTunes here. I'm going to show you guys how this actually works, and I've been able to download multiple apps with this method right here, because the method of files that doesn't work for me. So I was looking for a way to help people out, and this actually came up. So I'm going to look for the old version of iTunes, which is iTunes 12.4.6, I guess so. So here it is. There's a download link. If you have a 64-bit Windows, a 32-bit or a Mac, you just have to click on one of the link and you're going to download it. So I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it again. I'm just going to stop the download right here, and I'm going to show you that I have iTunes already on my PC. So after you install iTunes, here is just the file that I downloaded for iTunes, the setup file, but I don't think it's going to work anymore because I deleted it recently. There is the file of iTunes. Yeah, so after you download the file, just go ahead and open iTunes. First of all, the first thing you guys have to remember is that before you download this iTunes, you have to delete the iTunes, the old version of iTunes you have on your PC, and to delete all the files of that iTunes on your PC. That's what you have to do. So after deleting all the file of that iTunes on your PC, and after installing the new iTunes, the old version of iTunes, go ahead and open iTunes. Here's the App Store. I'm just going to show you how to open up the App Store. Go ahead and click on here on General and look for iTunes. Look for App Store and make sure it's checked and click on Done. That way you'll be able to access App Store from the menu. Yeah, here is App Store, so I'm just going to go directly to App Store. Yeah, there it is. As you guys can see, I have all the app on App Store running right now, and I'm able to download any app from App Store that I want on my PC. So I'm just going to walk you guys step by step on how you can do this, and it's literally going to work for you as well. So here are all the popular app that I'm just in a US store right now. So even if you are in the US or wherever you are in the world, you can probably download all the app and enjoy your iCloud bypass device right now, because I think the filter method doesn't work for everyone. I'm going to go with this app here called Showtime. I don't know, whatever it is. I'm just going to give an example of this app here, and I'm going to show you how to install the app on your iPhone device, iCloud bypass, from iPhone 4 to iPhone X. So the first step you have to do here is click on Get, and there will be a prompt that will ask you for your iCloud account. So just put in your iCloud email and the password. I'm going to blur it out so that you guys won't have to see anything. So after doing that, it's going to start downloading. So go just ahead on top at the right corner where there's a download icon. Click on it and look for the app that you just clicked on, Get, and stop the download right there. Yeah, you go ahead and stop the download. After stopping the download, let's go to our iPhone and I'm going to show you what to do. So here's the iPhone. Open up App Store and go to Purchase. Click on the icon and go to Purchase. Here's the purchase. You can see Showtime right here. You just click on download again, and it's literally going to start downloading on your iPhone. Depend on your internet connection. I don't know how long it's going to take, so just give it time and it's going to work for everyone. So I've finished downloading and I'm going to open it. It's opening right now. I don't know how to use this style, but this was just an example of showing you that you can literally download all the app you want on this platform using this method. Yeah, there the app is working. So if you guys really enjoyed this video and really like this type of video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, become a member of this family, and I'm going to help you out with everything. If you have any queries or any question, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you guys when I see you guys in the next one.